Hey guys, this is what I have made is a water level. It's made from PVC adapter and then a test plug to keep it solid in the bottom, and then a barbed fitting coming out of here, and then silicone here, and then with 50 foot of 3/8 line. Then I put colored water inside here, make sure no air bubbles are in it, and I can go a 50-foot radius, which would be 100 foot from one point to another. That usually lets me level up anything that I might crawl underneath a house or such. So I set what I want, put the level up to the water where it is, and then I can go, it'll be the same on the other end of that water level. So the other end, in this case, doesn't have water in it because we got to set it up. No matter how far away, there's going to be water will seek its level as long as there's no air bubbles. So this is something I'll show you guys more about how to make it. And in the meantime, this is a real inexpensive water level.